Madam, there is a strong feeling among those who come from the Hindi speaking areas that we are giving to a go by to Hindi. In fact, it is strange how, in regard to this particular bill or to a measure of this kind, two extreme views could be held and placed before the country or placed before the house. It is sad that Hindi is being relegated to the backward and English will continue throughout this period, and it is further sad that even after the this 10-year period, the appointment of a committee is just an eyewash, is a way to the emotion of the people in so far as adoption of Hindi is concerned. I do not want to say much on that subject. I can only say that the fears and doubts expressed by those who come from Hindi speaking areas are not at all justified. I must say that Hindi has considerably progressed during the last few years, and if we see the progress which has been made since 1947, it would be found that it is something remarkable. Before 1947, the position of Hindi in so far as various matters and subjects were concerned was low in the least, even as compared to other regional languages of the country. But during the last 15 years, the progress has been so rapid. Indeed, enormous progress has been made, and I might say that a large number of books, standard books, have appeared, have been published on literature, history, geography, economics, science, etc. Whatever field you might look into, you will find that most valuable books have been written which could be taken advantages of. I might even admit before the house that although I come from a Hindi area, I can't really comprehend and understand many of the books written in Hindi. It is a different matter. This point is, I have not progressed along with the development of Hindi. I am behind the times, I must admit it. It is people like one who are behind the. Sometimes I feel that my generation perhaps may not be able to catch up with the development of Hindi. The next generation will do so, but a man like me, of course, who knows something of Hindi, feels that I have not been able to catch up with the progress of Hindi.